We bought it for $65,000. It's 2,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus the 3rd floor bonus space, and that's a lot to renovate.
I love this house.
Do you think we can keep the little curlicues? I feel like
hope
they're in pretty good
so.
shape.
Yeah. I mean, and the porch is in good shape. I'm not crazy about the brick color.
No, but the brick is in good shape.
It's in good shape.
These are pretty if they hadn't done this interesting rock thing to the edge, because I like the brick stairs.
Yeah, I might be able to take that off. Just love how grand it is.
I know. Sprinkle it a little bit. So let's get inside.
Oh.
So look at that. I will be 100% with you on salvaging that door.
I think if we sand it and stain it, we'll be good. Okay. Yeah. Oh, this is amazing.
Yes, I definitely want to keep the staircase.
Beautiful.
I love the paneling.
It just needs to be cleaned and polished. Mm-hmm. It's gorgeous.
We don't usually have space to waste on an entry space, but I think this needs it.
Fantastic.
The
I've
staircase
never
is
seen
too
anything
awesome.
like this. This is beautiful. This is sad, but oh, this is amazing.
Yeah, someone's dog got a hold of that little corner.
Well, you know what I bet we can do is just replace that bad piece of wood.
So I think we should definitely keep this.
Yeah,
It's gonna-
absolutely.
And in here is our living room.
This is tragic.
Yes, paneling that's been sponge painted, I believe.
This is tragic.
But come look at this. So I know you're gonna wanna keep this green tile,
Oh, this is awesome.
but I think do a Carrera slab and get like a nice mantle that reflects
Yes.
more their original trim.
Yeah, absolutely.
Moving into the dining room.
Look at this curved molding and more
I do want you to salvage that. I feel like Mom's gonna be very excited about this house for a few reasons, one of which is because there's lots of things that I would like to save in it, and she will be on board.
I can salvage the top.
You don't think you can salvage? Well, what if we salvage the top and then paint the bottom?
It's all...
There's a chimney right here, so I think all the water ran down the chimney leak and did this.
Not sure if it's salvageable, but I can always try.
So we go into the kitchen through here.
Oh my goodness. What happened in there?
Someone updated this at some point.
And they painted the cabinets black and the walls avocado green.
Do you like their rock backsplash?
I mean, the kitchen's fantastic.
It's somebody's dream, for sure.
Yeah, somebody
They
put a
really
lot of
committed
effort. Yep.
To the theme of the wine.
And the green and the black.
It's just not our dream, so that's gonna go.
Wow.
Yeah,
This is huge.
I know.
This is fantastic.
Yeah.
Second master suite?
Well, I don't think necessarily a second master, because I think we should keep half of it for like bonus living space, because this would be a 4th bedroom.
Right.
So I think we need another living space with a 4th bedroom.
Okay.
And we're gonna need to add that 4th bedroom to get our sale price up really to where it needs to be to make a profit on this monster.
Yeah.
But it's a great location,
Yeah.
great street. I
Yeah.
think because the house is
amazing.
it's pretty structurally sound.
Yeah.
It's just huge and needs a lot of work to bring it back to what it was.
But update it too.
We just need to reconfigure the layout. I think we keep the 1st floor the same, just open up the kitchen slightly and turn the full bath into a powder room. And then on the 2nd floor, we'll keep the front 2 bedrooms, add a new bathroom, and turn everything else into a master suite. Then on the 3rd floor, we create a 4th bedroom and a bonus living space. This one shook out around $65,000.
Okay.
I think we'll spend $275. So our all-in is around $340,000. So it's a lot in. I think we're gonna be able to sell it for $400 though.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh geez.
All right. Ready? On the count of 3.
Move or slide, what do you think?
1, 2, 3.
Woo! Success!
Pretty successful. Got down pretty gently. If Karen wants it, she can have it, because it's still in one piece. So we did our job.
Fairly pleasing amount of ants on a cupcake. The guys that were there, we had a good group, and they made really quick work of the demo. Now that demo's done, we can double check the plans we've been working on, finalize them, and get framing.
All right, what we got here?
Our big boy on Sanders.
Okay.
That we're gonna turn into a very large and very beautiful single-family home. Walk into the foyer, living room on the right. Living room and dining room are they're staying in the same spot, but just open up a little bit between the living room and dining room.
Okay.
And then the fireplace, we're gonna open up around to get into all the brick, hopefully expose that, and it's gonna look really cool. Kitchen, lots of windows, an island with 2 bar stool seats as well, so you have some informal next to your formal dining. Up the staircase to the 2nd floor. This is a bedroom already. This 3rd bedroom over here, we're gonna reconfigure to make a full bath. Then the whole back of the house, reconfigure to be the master suite.
Okay. That master closet is huge.
It has a window in it. That's
love
when you know
that.
you're fancy.
Yeah.
And the 3rd floor, put in a bedroom, a bathroom, and then like bonus space. Because I think in a house this big, 4th bedroom is crucial.
Absolutely, and there's plenty of public space to...
And a 2nd living space is crucial because anyone living there is either gonna have guests or family or...
So just open space is great.
Yeah.
All right.
I think it's gonna be cool.
Yeah.
And it's on such a good block. I know. We're gonna put a lot of money into it. So hopefully...
We're gonna sell it for a lot of money?
For a lot of money. So, rock and roll. We're taking a big, expensive risk with this huge house, and I'm a bit concerned about getting our money out of it fast enough. So even though we're still at the beginning stages of reno, I want to get some potential buyers in here to see it, so maybe we could get it sold quickly. It's a little rough right now, but just imagine it all, like we're gonna paint the brick, all this is gonna be redone, paint the porch. What do you think?
I love it. I love the original detailing.
It's really cool. It's big.
MJ and Andrew are getting married soon, and they are right in the middle of planning their wedding and their honeymoon. I think this house would really be the perfect place for them to start their new lives together.
Wow. I love this original staircase.
Isn't it so
All the
pretty?
woodworking.
100%.
So if you come through here, this is your living room.
Is the fireplace functional?
Fireplace is not functional, so it's just gonna be decorative. We can explore that if that's something that's very important to you guys.
Just imagining Christmas. We love to host Christmas and having like an amazing fireplace.
We can explore that. You walk through to a dining room. It opens up really nice to these windows on the side. This thing we were trying to save, there was a leak that completely warped it.
It's just a shame. I hate tearing this out.
I do too, but I think I have a good idea for something we could put in its place that'll help bring back some character and be very appropriate for your stately gentleman.
Really? I'm intrigued.
So Sanders has always been a good block, but the houses that we owned were the only scary ones left. And this is the last of the scary ones.
This is the last terrifying
Which is very
house.
exciting, because now this beauty is no longer the last ugly house on the block.
Gosh.
Is that the same house?
Yeah.
Yes. It's got all new siding, windows. You couldn't even see the pretty architecture of the porch and the roof lines and the original detail. A new sidewalk, a new retaining wall. So everything just looks so much more tailored and charming. Would you like to go inside?
I want to go inside
You wanna
right
go
now.
inside? Okay, come on.
And I love the landscaping.
Do you love the
You
landscaping?
killed it.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Do you love it?
This is a different house.
Yeah. When we first got here, all this beautiful woodwork was in pretty sorry shape. But it's so much part of the character of this house, we just thought we had to bring it back to its former glory.
The wood.
This is incredible. Wow. Love the light fixtures.
How do you feel about gold? Because the light fixtures are all gold.
We love gold, so
Perfect.
yeah.
Perfect leather
Oh my
Chesterfield.
gosh.
Wow. And the fireplace is incredible.
We had the original tile, so we were able to keep that. We wanted to keep the brick, but the mortar joints were very casual. So this was the compromise where we did just a little extra trim work.
I knew it was gonna be great, but this is blowing my mind.
Dining room.
This is amazing.
Yeah. I feel like I'm in an elegant Parisian apartment.
There you go.
Yeah. That wallpaper, everything, it all ties together.
Yeah.
The wallpaper was super fun. I love arabesque shape, so it's kind of this paisley arabesque, but it's got a little bit of a metallic thing going on.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
I love the color. The color is perfect. I love it. I love everything about it. Wow.
So we talked about what we were gonna do with the built-in, and unfortunately, the built-in did not survive. But we have something even better now.
Magic!
That's amazing.
The dining room had more space than I first imagined, and just having the bar makes entertaining that much more effortless. That's really cool.
Ta-da.
So this is the new and improved kitchen.
What?
I went with tall white cabinets to really make it feel open, but added some warmth with bronze appliances, a copper sink, and the brushed gold hardware on the blue island.
I think that all the metallics in this room really work well together.
They're not all matchy.
It's perfect.